Let me guess, you're looking for a quality PC headset for gaming, meetings, and your favorite music. Well, today we have one that you don't want to overlook because it's definitely a bang for your buck. As well as be sure to watch this entire episode to find out how I can save you even more cash if you decide to go with this headset. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on to receive notifications. Today's episode, we are taking a look at OneOdio's A71D computer headset. We have our links located in the description if you'd like to take a closer look. So this headset is in the affordable range of around $35 at the time of making this video. But don't let that fool you into thinking that this headset cannot put out, because it is most definitely impressive for its value. Everything included in the box is the A71D headphones with a non-detachable 2-meter audio cable with a built-in volume control, a detachable microphone, a dual 3.5Y extension cable, and your paperwork. The headphones have a great feel to them. The over-the-ear pads are soft and comfortable with 40mm drivers at 32 ohms with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. I really enjoy the sound of these drivers. They have a lot of smooth bass and clarity for music and especially for gaming. Not to mention how comfortable these are at making long hours of use enjoyable and not giving you fatigue from wearing a headset for so long. The folding style makes these super great for storage and traveling. Also, having the plug adapters to be able to use them with any device is so handy. This is the most universal PC headset that I've been able to use right out of the box with the included accessories. It works great with Xbox and PS4, along with being able to use them with smartphones and standard PC setups. Pretty much anything that uses a 3.5mm audio jack is compatible. And I'm also a big fan of the removable microphone. I tend to use this headset in my meetings a good bit. But when I'm not needing a microphone, I absolutely love how I can just remove it completely and just use the headset for headphones. Although if you do prefer to keep the mic plugged in, you can easily mute it when you're not using it with the inline switch, while also being able to control the volume with the scroll wheel. It's truly been a tank of a headset and I'm highly impressed. So if you're looking for a quality headset that doesn't break the bank, this is truly a great headset that I would not overlook. Plus, OneOdio has partnered with us so we can give our community an exclusive offer. If you head over to OneOdio's website and pick you up a headset for yourself, you can use coupon code SWIFT15 to save you an extra 15%. So make sure to check out the links and the details located in the description for more information. If you found this review helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what you think about this headset, along with what it is that you look for while shopping for a new gaming headset. And a big shout out to OneOdio for partnering up with us so we can give you this review along with a discount code, so don't forget to save some money and use it. That will be wrapping it up for today's episode. Once again, my name is Brad. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next review.